Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Word News ChatGPT plugin that you can use to get the latest news on any topic from various sources around the world and summarize those news stories. So before I would show you how to use the Word News ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on the Word News ChatGPT plugin where you can read about the best use cases you can use this plugin for, and I also share some example prompts you can activate the Word News ChatGPT plugin with. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the Word News ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to activate and use any plugins, you have to make sure that you have enabled the plugins feature in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to do that, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. And once you have enabled plugins in your ChatGPT account, if you don't know how, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Then you have to click on New Chat on the top left here, then select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select the plugins model, and then we have to install the Word News ChatGPT plugin. As you can see, it's already installed for me. If it's not for you, you have to scroll down to Plugin Store, click on Plugin Store, search for the Word News plugin and install the plugin. And last but not least, what you have to do is enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so once the plugin is enabled, all you have to do is add the prompt to ChatGPT, and we're gonna use a very simple prompt. Retrieve the most recent news stories on Bitcoin and summarize these stories for me. Then click on Send Message. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or fancy language. If the Word News ChatGPT plugin is activated, ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if you want to get news stories and summaries of these news stories, it has to use the Word News ChatGPT plugin, and it is activated, so it's able to do it. So as you can see, this is what it has done. It has scraped a bunch of news stories and their summaries from using this Word News ChatGPT plugin. So you can see we have Wall Street Journal here, CBS News, CNBC, Der Standard, which is German, El País, which is a Spanish website, New York Post, and we got the most recent news stories on Bitcoin. So this is one story, we got 6 stories here. As you can see, we got a quick summary of the article and the main point of that news story on Bitcoin, and we can also check out the full article by clicking on read more here if you want to do that. So all in all, this is how you can get news stories using this Word News ChatGPT plugin and get a summary of these breaking news stories inside ChatGPT, so you don't have to leave ChatGPT to get these breaking news stories around any topic. So all in all, this is how to use the Word News ChatGPT plugin. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that you can use not just for news, but for marketing, business, productivity, finance, cryptocurrencies, scientific research, and more, I have a ton of YouTube tutorials on my YouTube channel, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.